2012 Dodge Journey. Looking for the driver's side blend door actuator. If you look right there, it is up here. Now to see it, you have to drop this panel up on the steering column, and it sits right there. To gain access to it, you have to remove that screw to drop the little vent cover down. All right, so what I did, I just separated the cover, put that up first, snap it in, and then put that cover on, just like that. It should be easier. When you get all the screws out. Oh, this thing has a little arm. Okay. Yeah, you unplug the connector and pull it right on up. And just transfer over the arm. Connectors look the same. Do they? Yeah, the connectors are the same. Let's see, orientation on that. Pull it off like so. Oh, that one's kind of over here. Okay. The one up top here. You see my little girly fingers? Trying to work it out. Alright, we'll turn it. Okay, we're gonna start the car. Alright, so now this thing should start working now, I think. There it goes. Now it's moving. See, I'm just doing that. Alright, then that's all the way hot. Now I'm gonna turn it all the way cold. Alright, so we just swing that over like so. After you wrestled all that in and got it in where it's supposed to be, it's just as simple as popping this cover back up, and you got 2 screw holes right there, right there. Just enjoy your AC in peace afterwards.